The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Installing the screen. 1. Remove the pre-installed screws. Two. Connect the cables from the instrument to those on the display screen. 3. Place the screen in place and tighten the screws. Remove the pre-installed screws on both sides of the instrument. Install the support plates on both sides. Install the connecting cable for the revitalizing lift handpiece. Install the connecting cable for the nourishing clarity handpiece. Place all installed handles into the handle holders in turn. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Click Settings, tap Language, then select English. Select Manual, select Revitalizing Lift, Settings, Worth, 3. Mode, select according to customer requirements. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Select Nourishing Clarity. Settings, Energy, 3. Mode, select according to customer requirements. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Select Auto. Settings, Worth, 3. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.